Hey guys, how's it going? How to choose the best Bluehost plan. To choose the best Bluehost plan, consider the following steps. First of all, you need to go ahead to the official website and select your budget, right? And identify your needs, okay? Determine the purpose of your website, personal blog, a small business, or commerce, etc. Right here, you could go ahead to this official article to know better, right? And what are the benefits of shared hosting? That being said, there are some benefits of using Bluehost. Sharing hosting plan, cheaper pricing plans, excellent hosting features such as free domain, unlimited website hosting, etc. Useful security features such as the free SSL certificates, right? So if you want to actually pin down your best plan, you're gonna just go ahead to the official website and see which plan actually fits you the most. You can go to the basic plan, right, made for simple website or blog, or choice plus, or the WooCommerce, or you can go ahead and go pro, okay, and compare the plans, okay, and consider scalability. Choose a plan that allows for easy upgrading as your site grows, and look for every feature right here, okay, and decide on the budget and consider any promotional discount for the first term, and check customer reviews and feedback to gauge performance and support equality, right? And look for promotions. And once you've reviewed these factors and and actually studied them, you're gonna be able to choose the plan that fits your budget. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.